Do you toss and turn at night, wondering why you can't sleep? We all know about the usual culprits. Stress, caffeine, that late-night scroll through social media. But did you know there are some surprising reasons why you might be staring at the ceiling instead of getting your ZZs? Stick around, because today we're uncovering 7 unexpected causes of insomnia that you probably didn't know about. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Diet and nutrition. Let's dive into the first surprise: diet and nutrition. While we all know that caffeine can keep you awake, did you know that certain foods and eating habits can also sabotage your sleep? We've all been there. It's late, you're getting ready for bed, and suddenly, those cravings hit. But that late-night snack attack could be the reason you're struggling to fall asleep. Eating heavy meals late at night can cause discomfort and indigestion, making it hard to fall asleep. Specific food intolerances, like gluten or dairy, might also be the hidden culprits behind your restless nights. And don't forget about nutrient deficiencies. Lack of magnesium and vitamin D are often linked to poor sleep. So, be mindful of what you eat and when you eat it. Technology and blue light exposure. Next up, technology and blue light exposure. Let's face it, we live in a digital world. Our phones, tablets, and laptops have become extensions of ourselves. But what you might not realize is that these devices emit blue light, a type of light that can wreak havoc on your sleep. It's no secret that staring at screens before bed isn't great for sleep, but do you know why? Blue light emitted from phones, tablets, and computers interferes with the production of melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep. This disruption can trick your brain into thinking it's still daytime, making it harder to fall asleep. Try limiting screen time at least an hour before bed, and consider using blue light filters if you must use your devices. Next on our list is environmental factors. Our third cause is all about your environment. Did you know that your bedroom setup could be the reason you're not getting quality sleep? Factors like room temperature, noise levels, and lighting play a huge role in how well you sleep. Aim for a cool, quiet, and dark room to create the perfect sleep oasis. Blackout curtains, white noise machines, and adjusting your thermostat can make a big difference. Number 4. Mental health issues. Mental health is our fourth surprising cause. Conditions like anxiety, depression, and PTSD are closely linked to insomnia and can significantly impact our sleep quality. Racing thoughts, worry, and emotional distress can keep you up at night. It's crucial to address these issues head-on. Seeking support from a mental health professional can provide strategies to manage your mental health and improve your sleep. Let's now look at the fifth factor: physical health issues. Moving on to physical health issues. You see, insomnia isn't always a standalone problem. Sometimes it can be a symptom of an underlying medical condition that needs to be addressed. Sleep apnea, restless leg syndrome, and chronic pain are common but often overlooked causes of insomnia. These conditions can interrupt your sleep cycle, leaving you feeling tired and unrested. If you suspect a physical health issue is affecting your sleep, consult with a healthcare provider for proper diagnosis and treatment. Now you might be thinking, but how do I know if my sleep problems are due to an underlying medical condition? Well, that's where paying attention to your body and recognizing any unusual symptoms is crucial. If you're experiencing persistent insomnia, along with other symptoms like excessive daytime sleepiness, loud snoring, gasping for air during sleep, or restless legs, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional. They can help determine the underlying cause of your sleep issues and recommend appropriate treatment options. Remember, early detection and treatment are key to managing these conditions effectively. Lifestyle choices. Lifestyle choices are our sixth surprise. Irregular sleep schedules, lack of exercise, and excessive napping can throw off your sleep patterns. Maintaining a consistent sleep routine and incorporating regular physical activity into your day can help regulate your internal clock. Aim to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. It might sound basic, but trust me, consistency is key when it comes to getting a good night's rest. Our bodies crave regularity, especially when it comes to sleep-wake cycles. This internal clock tells your body when it's time to be alert and when it's time to wind down. Number 7. Hidden stressors. Lastly, let's talk about hidden stressors. Sometimes the stress keeping you awake at night isn't obvious. Relationship issues, financial worries, or job dissatisfaction can all contribute to insomnia. When we're stressed, our bodies release a surge of hormones like cortisol, which is designed to help us deal with perceived threats. This is known as the fight-or-flight response. While this response is helpful in short bursts, chronic stress keeps our bodies in a constant state of alert, making it difficult to relax and fall asleep. It's important to identify these hidden stressors and find healthy ways to manage them. Techniques like mindfulness, meditation, and journaling can help reduce stress and improve your sleep. Now, you might be thinking, easier said than done, right? And you're not wrong. Managing stress is a journey, not a destination. The first step is identifying your personal stress triggers. What are the things that consistently leave you feeling overwhelmed or anxious? Is it work deadlines, relationship conflicts, financial worries? Once you've identified your triggers, you can start developing coping mechanisms. And remember, asking for help is a sign of strength, not weakness. And there you have it, 7 surprising causes of insomnia you probably didn't know about. Which of these resonated with you? If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And hey, we want to hear from you. Share your experiences with insomnia in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, stay healthy, stay informed, and get your sleep.